Video 1, take 2 on Tuesday, November 1st, 2022. And the big trees is coming down from Felton today. I don't know why, but we're low on the power of the camera. It might not last, but so far it is. But it's 4:35 p.m. I'm riding a blue bike today. It was raining, but the rain stopped at 1:45 today p.m. So now it's cleared up. You can see it's cleared up. You can see the water puddle of today's rain. Good that we're getting some rain finally. Kids are running on the tracks over there. Jason must be driving because he honked at them. Hey, we got Long Hood coming at us. Long Hood. We got 3 cars only. Guess they're going to turn them around. $2,600, I think. They're switching. I guess they're switching. They unhooked the 3 cars. Good to see you too, pal. Yeah, turning the engine around. 4:39. We still got recording, as we're lucky. We still got a recording. So far I got 6 miles, 76 miles today to River Street to get my phone hooked up in the east side.